Metro by T-Mobile has 4 lines with unlimited data for $100 per month. Hey guys, today I'm going to check out the Metro by T-Mobile plans and features for February 2019. Before I get started, I want to point out this is not a review, just a look at the plans and features currently offered. I've never reviewed Metro before. I've talked about it in a few articles and videos, and I've talked to some Metro PCS customers as well, and they've shared different details about the service with me over the years. So if you're interested in learning more about Metro PCS, check out my previous articles and videos, and make sure to read through the comments as well. Metro by T-Mobile is a prepaid wireless service, formerly known as the Artist Metro PCS. Metro is owned and operated by T-Mobile, and it uses the T-Mobile network. In the past, you could find Metro PCS phones and services in retailers, or you could order it online. But currently, it's sold through their network of Metro authorized dealers, and they have a really big network of Metro authorized dealers. Metro does have a reasonable selection of phones, and you can check that out online. You can also bring your own phone. You'll just need to get a bring your own phone SIM kit from a dealer. You'll see down here they have an offer for a $49 iPhone 6S when you sign up for one of their unlimited plans. All right, let's take a look at the plans. You'll see they have 3 plans listed here. They have a 4th plan listed below the table, a $30 plan. And the first thing you need to know about Metro is that taxes and fees are included in the plan prices. So the price you see advertised for the plan is what you should be paying. Now, I am going to point out that I've heard from a few Metro customers in the past that all of a sudden they started getting charged taxes or fees. So if you're a Metro customer, leave us a comment below and let us know, are you paying any kind of additional taxes and fees with Metro? Let's check out the plans. It would have been nicer if they had listed the $30 plan in the table with the rest of the plans. One of the things you'll notice is that there's a lot of details about the plan features that are no longer here. Back in September, I last looked at Metro PCS, and at the time, they had a lot of details about the plans and features right on the plans page. And now you're forced to go and dig through the FAQ and support pages to find out a lot of the details that were previously listed on their plan page. Found one of the old plan pages on the site here. This was for their $30 plan, and you can see they just listed all the features that were included with the plan. Let's go through the plans and features. All these plans come with unlimited nationwide talk and text, meaning you can make and receive calls to and from the United States. 2 of the plans come with a fixed amount of high-speed data. 2 of them come with unlimited high-speed data. $30 plan, unlimited talk and text, 2 gigabytes of high-speed data. You'll see there are no other details listed about that plan. With a little research, I found out that after you use up to 2 gigabytes of high-speed data, you will still have a data connection, but it'll be a reduced speed data connection. Now, if you use up all your high-speed data within the month, they have an option to add more data, and any remaining unused high-speed data at the end of the month will expire. It does not roll over or carry over to the next month. All right, next up, $40 plan. Unlimited talk and text and 10 gigabytes of high-speed data. The same rules I described for the $30 plan hold true for the $40 plan, except you start with 10 gigabytes of high-speed data. They have this pretty cool feature here. It's called Music Unlimited. It's not available on the $30 plan, just the $40 plan. But the way this works is that any data that you use for streaming music apps does not count against your 10 gigabytes of high-speed data. So they have a list of over 40 plus streaming music apps. And if you use one of those for your streaming music, any data that you use while you're playing music does not count against your high-speed data. They're not giving you free streaming music. You still need to have your own streaming music app. And if that's a paid subscription, you need to pay for it. But what you're getting for free is the data that is used for the streaming music. Now you'll see here a note, hotspot not included. Back in September of 2018, when I looked at the plans, you could use hotspot on both the $30 and $40 plans. Since it's listed as not supported here on the $40 plan, I'm going to assume it's not included on the $30 plan. And then finally below this, they show you what the plan price would be, or the total price would be, if you buy multiple lines. For 2 lines, it's $70. It goes all the way down to 5 lines for $160. All right, next up, $50 plan. Now this plan comes with unlimited high-speed data. If you look up towards the top of the page in this little graphic here, there is some fine print. It says, if congested, the fraction of customers using 35 gigabytes or more of high-speed data per month may notice reduced speeds, and Metro customers may notice reduced speeds versus T-Mobile due to prioritization. Now, this plan also includes the unlimited nationwide talk and text. They have 2 additional features on this plan. With this plan, you're going to get 5 gigabytes of mobile data for Hotspot. You're also going to get 100 gigabytes of data for Google One. I have to admit, I'm not too familiar with Google One. I looked into it, so apparently Google One offers expanded storage for your Google Photos, Gmail, and Drive. It'll also allow you to back up your phone to the cloud. Google One also offers expert support for Google products and services, so if you need help, you can contact a Google expert. You can share this plan with up to 5 family members. And that Google One membership includes other member benefits such as Google Play Store credits and special rates on hotels. The price for lines 2 through 5 in the table, it goes from $80 for 2 lines all the way up to $170 for 5 lines. That's a $20 additional savings on each line. Next up, the $60 plan. Again, unlimited nationwide talk and text. But with this plan, you're going to get 15 gigabytes of high-speed data for mobile hotspot. This includes the same 100 gigabyte Google One subscription. And this plan also includes Amazon Prime. Now, I'm not going to describe what Amazon Prime is to you. You can look up all the details on Amazon. The difference between the $60 plan and the $50 plan is the Prime membership and that extra 10 gigabytes of data for Hotspot. Now, normally, if you were to sign up for Prime, it would be $13 a month. If you signed up for Prime directly from Amazon by the year, it'd be $120. So you're saving $3 per month off of the monthly price that they charge for Prime, or you're getting the $120 price per year, but paying for it by the month. And you also get that extra data for Hotspot. With the Google One package and the Prime package, they're kind of making a very complete offering there for $60 a month. Google One's giving you the option to back up your phone, do a complete backup on your phone, and use Google services. And then with Amazon Prime, you're getting video streaming and music streaming services. So they're kind of building out a complete package there. And then finally, you'll save at least $30 on each additional line. You'll see 2 lines is $90. Go all the way out to 5 lines, it's $150. 5 lines on the previous 2 plans are $160 or $170. And then the 4-line plan here is listed as $120 versus $130 and $140 for the plans with less features. Before going through more plan details and features, I wanted to come back to the opening line. I used 4 lines for $100. You sign up for 4 lines with unlimited data. It's going to cost you $100. You need to visit a store to do this, and it's a limited time offer. One of the things it says here is unlimited data on your smartphone, no tethering. So it's not clear, or at least clear to me, what features are included with these unlimited lines. It doesn't say anything about the Google One service or the Amazon Prime service. So if you're not interested in those, that might be the reason that you can get the 4 unlimited lines here for $100. And then if you scroll down the page, you'll see they have offers for 2 lines and for 3 lines. And then they also have this deal where you can get 4 free Samsung or LG phones. Also, there's a tremendous amount of fine print here, so you might want to go through that. I see down here on the bottom, there's a $15 activation fee per line. So it might end up costing you $60 to get 4 lines activated there. Just keep in mind, you always need to look at the fine print. That's what I'm always telling you guys. I've been forced to look through their FAQs to try and find some of the details. They actually have multiple FAQs. They have this one, and let me see if I can find the other one here. And they also have this one, Metro by T-Mobile support and FAQ. You just have to dig your way through to find this information. Way down to the bottom, you'll see plans and features, and then included plan features. So let's talk about some of the included features. So visual voicemail, they have visual voicemail. I'm not sure why it's not listed on this page. It is listed on some of the other ones. So if you have an iPhone or an Android phone that supports visual voicemail, you'll get visual voicemail. Otherwise, you'll get regular voicemail. They also support Wi-Fi calling, so all Metro plans include Wi-Fi calling. With Wi-Fi calling, your phone can place and receive calls or send and receive text messages using your active Wi-Fi connection instead of Metro's cellular network. Wi-Fi calling makes it possible for you to use your phone in areas where there is poor or no cellular coverage, but Wi-Fi is available. And just know you'll need to have a phone that's compatible with Wi-Fi calling on the T-Mobile network. All right, next up, Hotspot. If you're on one of the two unlimited plans, the $50 unlimited plan has 5 gigabytes of data for Hotspot, and the $60 plan has 15 gigabytes of high-speed data for Hotspot. If you're not familiar with Hotspot, Mobile Hotspot lets you connect your laptop, tablet, or other Wi-Fi device to the internet using your phone's cellular data connection. A little bit more about the cellular data. If you use up your high-speed data on the fixed data plans, you're going to have reduced speed data. Haven't been able to find all the details about that on their site. And then with Metro, there's no fixed maximum download speed for unlimited data. They do state on all plans using congestion, users using greater than 35 gigabytes per month may notice reduced speeds due to prioritization. And then the fine print I told you about earlier, Metro customers may notice reduced speeds versus T-Mobile customers due to prioritization. Next up, I want to talk about streaming videos. All the video streams at SD, DVD, 480p quality, not 1080p. Previously, they referred to this as a feature called Data Maximizer. They reduced the video quality to optimize it for your mobile phone and to conserve your high-speed data. Now, according to the FAQ somewhere, it says that you can add HD video service to your phone for $10 a month. So on this page, you'll see HD add-on available for $10 on the $40, $50, and $60 page. And then finally, I wanted to talk about the add-on features or add-on service. They have a lot of different features available. For $5 a month, you can get unlimited calling to and from Mexico. The value bundle is $5 a month. You get 5 services with it: name ID, call forwarding, unlimited directory assistance, voicemail to text, and then international text messaging. That's the one I wanted to point out. More services for Google One. You can add additional data. And then for the international calling, I think I pointed this out, the $5 unlimited calling to and from Mexico. They have the same thing for Canada, an additional $5 a month. And then they have 2 different credits that you can add for Global Voice for international calling to over 140 countries. The $10 add-on, I think, gives you 50 minutes. And the $20 add-on gives you 100 minutes. Notice they don't point out how many minutes it is. I looked it up someplace else. It said it was 50 and 100 minutes. Looks like these add-ons include unlimited texting to select international countries as well. Add-on data. So they have 3 different data add-ons. For $5 a month, you can get 2 gigabytes of extra monthly data. For $10, you can get 5 gigabytes. And for $20, you can get 10 gigabytes. That's $2 per gigabyte. This is extra monthly data. So you're recurringly adding this to your account. So if you were to choose the 5 gigabytes of extra data, you'd continually pay $10 a month to add an additional 5 gigabytes of data per month to your line. This is not like the add-on data on some of the other services that I've talked about, where it's a one-time purchase and then it either rolls over indefinitely or expires after some set period of time. This is an additional occurring monthly charge. And then supposedly this extra data will be available for use with Hotspot on plans that support Hotspot. And then finally, are you a Metro PCS customer? Hit me up in the comments below and let me know what you think of Metro PCS. That's going to be it for this video, and I will talk to you next time.